Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my super quick update for my BYOP, pan that palette, whatever you want to call it, build your own palette, rolling pan that palette, whatever works for you. My friend Dana and I are doing this together. There have been some people that have joined in. I'm definitely going to have Dana listed down below since she is my partner in crime for this one. And everyone that I'm aware of that is doing it is going to be listed down below. And yeah, all the stuff, all the things, you know what the drill is. And if you want to join in on this, by all means, just build your own palette and have some fun with it. You can set your own goals. It's not even a case of whatever you put in there, you absolutely have to finish. You can hit pan on things. You can say, I want to use a shadow X number of times. Whatever works for you, just do your thing. All right. I am working on this little palette right here. I have some singles and I have some depotted shades in here. So I'm going to put a picture up on the screen of where this was last update. And this is what she is looking like right now. No massive changes because this is my chillaxed kind of palette. I just kind of go at my own pace with this, and when I feel like using something, I use it, and if I don't feel like using something, then I don't use it. That is kind of the drill. So we are going to go through one at a time, and we're going to look and see what the progress is. So this first one is the Coastal Sands Aruban Coral Pearl Mica. Had to look in my spreadsheet because I could not remember the name of it. I think I've only used this a couple of times since the last update. You're not going to be able to see any visual progress on that one. This one I do actually have on my eyes today. This is from the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. It is the shade Cotton Candy, and I'm going to show you up close. Definitely getting a good dip going in there. Hopefully you guys can see it. There it is. You can see it right there. I have used this to franken other things, but I also use it on my eyes. Clearly I have it on today, and I was hoping I was going to hit pan on it today, but that didn't happen. It is in my current makeup basket, so who knows? I might be able to hit pan on it in my current makeup basket because I do like to wear this on my inner corners. That's where I have it on today. So you never know. It could happen before the next update. That would be really cool. All right, next up in this row right here, we have my Franken eyebrow shade. I had baby pan on this last time, and the sides were kind of like way up, and I did have to repress this, and I have not hit pan on it again since I repressed it. It hasn't been that long, and May really was kind of an off month for me. We all have those months. So I do think I'm going to have massive pan on this one by the next update. I don't think it's going to be finished, but I do think I'm going to have pan on that again. All right, next is actually both of these two are from the Coastal Scents 88 palette. These are as is. I just took them out of that palette and pressed them into these little tiny pans. I have used the green one, I think, twice, and you can't tell. There's like no discernible difference from what the picture was from last month to now because I use so very little, and it's usually to just slightly enhance, blend out my crease transition area, so I don't use a ton at any one time. The blue, however, I have ever so slightly expanded the pan on this down this way a little bit. Not sure if you're going to be able to tell based on the pictures on the screen because they're so tiny, but I definitely have expanded that pan. All right, moving on to Ice Ballet. I just haven't used it. I think partially because I have a purple in another project that is from my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, and it is so close to being done. I can't believe it's not done already, but so yeah, I haven't really used this one a whole lot. I also did purples last year, and I think because I did purples last year, even though I absolutely love purples, I have not been wearing them as much this year. And so maybe this was a mistake to put this one in, but I do not want to take it out yet. I feel like the purples are coming. I just needed a little break, and I feel like when it's time to hit the purples again, I will be back in working on them quite a bit. All right, let's move on to the next row. I have Banana Smoothie. This is from Bare Minerals that I just put some binder in and I pressed it into this pan. I have used it a couple of times, but you can't tell because You know, I don't use a ton of it at any one time, but it is getting used. I'm very happy to be using it. Next is Winterveld. No, here, Winterveld. It is from Coastal Scents. It is a mica pigment that I put a binder in and pressed, just like some of the other things that I've done. And I have used this, I think, twice since the last update. I kind of sort of expanded the pan ever so slightly, but I don't think it's going to be super obvious because I used it as an inner corner shade both of those times, and I use so very little of it. But it's being used, and that's what's important. All right, this one here on the corner, that is from the Coastal Scents 88 palette as well, though this one has been Franken's. You've seen it in my Franken Fridays multiple times. It is a satiny type shade now, which I wanted to improve that a little bit. It is definitely a satin now, and it works well. And it's just going to take some time because having put more stuff into it, it's kind of grown. So it's going to take a little bit longer to get pan and to get that one used up. I'm okay with that. And then this one is from, what is it called? It is from the Profusion Eyes Trendsetter palette. It is the shade Embark. It is just a very dark matte brown. I had like the tiniest baby pan in this last time, and you can see I actually have some decent pan. I'll bring in a little bit closer, but yeah, nice size pan in that now, and that pan is just going to grow. So I don't know if I want to set massive goals in here, but I do want to hit pan in Cotton Candy, which is the shade right here. I would like to hit pan again in my Eyebrow Franken shade, and I really want to get Embark, this one right here, to the point where it needs to be repressed again. So I think 3 goals: pan, pan, and then to the point of repressing. I think those are good enough goals. I have kind of neglected to make goals on this palette so far this year, and I think it's kind of biting me in the booty because without goals, I'm kind of like, I don't need to worry about it. So now that I have some goals, I can get to work on some of these. That was an update. Definitely go check out Dana. She's going to be linked down below. And like I said, anyone that I'm aware of that is doing this project is going to be linked down below. Some people have been doing it all along. Some people jumped in for a while, jumped out, back in, you know. Not everyone has been doing it all this time, but that's okay. You don't have to. And if you want to join in and do just a little bit at a time, set your own goals. Like I said, it doesn't matter how many shades you want to do. It can be 3 shades. It could be 20 shades. Whatever works for you, just have at it. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.